everyone, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marissa here. And if you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be part of my YouTube family. And also, quick little side note relating to subscribers, we are approaching 3K, which is like so crazy. I feel like I just hit 2K like pretty recently. So thank you guys so much for all of your love, support. It means the absolute world to me. As I am filming this, I literally have 2,999 subs. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I'm sure we will hit 3K by the time this video goes up. So speaking of exciting news, today I am here to share with you all a super exciting announcement and video to kind of go along with that announcement. So I am so excited to announce that I am one of Kent State University's Victoria's Secret Pink campus reps for the 2020 to 2021 school year. I am literally so excited to share this news here on my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a post about this before, but I am so excited to share this news with you all because it's going to be a pretty big part of my life, part of my school year, and I want to document my journey with the program here on this channel. I think it would be great to look back on as I get older and advance more in like the career area of my life. So this is a program that I have literally dreamed of being a part of since I was in high school, which is so crazy to think about how much your life can change in like 1 to 2 years. Like I said in my Instagram post, as a freshman going to move into my freshman dorm last year, I really did not think I would have this opportunity as a sophomore. So I am literally so excited and so grateful for this opportunity that Pink has given me. And I'm just like so thankful. Like I am so excited to be a part of this program. So I really am so excited to start this journey. And if you are familiar with the campus rep program, there normally is a really big, really exciting kickoff event where we have brand training, basically teaching us like what our role is going to be like, what we actually have to do, how to post on social media, that kind of thing. So unfortunately, due to the circumstances of our world, that is not happening in person. It's going to be virtual, but I'm still literally so excited about it. Like I can't wait to learn more about this brand that I have loved since I was a child in like middle school. So it's just a really exciting and cool opportunity for me. I am literally so excited, so of course I had to share it with you all. I love you all so much, and I thought this was something that you would want to know about my life, I guess. So if you are not familiar with the campus rep program, Pink gives their reps a lot of merchandise throughout the school year, but the very first box that every single rep gets is a welcome package. So for this video, I thought I would do a super fun unboxing video showing you guys what was in my welcome package from Pink. I am so excited for what they gave me. Whenever I saw this package on my doorstep, I literally screamed. And then when I started opening it, I literally screamed at every single item. So I've been very excited. So of course it's already been opened, but I wanted to just share it with you guys here on my channel. So if you enjoy, make sure you give this video a huge like, comment something nice down below, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so here is my adorable box from Pink, and the front just looks like this. Is that not like the cutest thing ever? Like I think it's so adorable. It's super neutral, and I love like the little holographic logo on the front. I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. So on the lid has a cute little message. It says, "We are so happy to have you. Congratulations and welcome to the Pink Campus Rep program. Enjoy this gift as a thank you for being a part of our brand. Here's to an amazing year, and show your love on social media with hashtag Pink sponsored reps." So cute. And then whenever you open it up, it has a super cute sticker, but I kind of like ripped it because I opened it already. So the very first thing that we got is actually this little card, and it basically is telling us about the virtual campus rep kickoff event for our brand training. So it says, "We picked you. You're invited to Pink Campus Rep Kickoff, our first ever virtual rep event. Keep an eye on your inbox for more info soon." And it's super cute. But then I like lifted the back of this up, and this is actually like a planter thing, so it has flowers inside of it that you can plant. It's super cute. I love what it says. It says, "Grow ahead, girl. You've got this. Love the positive message." And I love how like environmental it is. So cute and fun. So alright, so the first thing that I got is a super cute seamless sports bra. I never tried the sports bra yet, but I put it on earlier and I love it. I also am obsessed with the color that they gave me. It's this really pretty light coral color. I want to mention this because this was huge for me. Pink has started making their clothes in extra large in like every single item, and for me, I'm like bigger chested, so the extra large sports bras fit a lot better than the larges do on me. So I tried this on. I absolutely love it. It's so cute, and it also just says Pink right down there, but their seamless collection has literally been so popular. Okay, this next thing that I got, I was literally so excited for, like, so I got this super cute bralette, but it's a super cute lacy bralette. I also love the color. It has removable padding, and once again I got this in an extra large as well. I do have two of these bras already from Pink and Black and White, and they are a large and they fit, but like they just fit. So I'm really happy that they did come out with the extra large for their bralettes as well. This is literally so cute. I love the fun little color, and I cannot wait to wear this like now for summer and kind of like underneath my loungewear items too. So to match those, they also sent this super cute pair of underwear, and I just took this out of the packaging like earlier, and I was like so surprised like at the sides of it. I don't really know why, but it's a super cute lacy thong. Love to see it. It's also super soft material. And then to go along with the sports bra, they also sent us this super cute pair of seamless underwear. Their seamless panties are my absolute favorite. I love the seamless cheeksters and the seamless thong like this is. They're so comfy, and they're really perfect for underneath your leggings. That's why I love these ones so much. The next thing they sent me, I literally screamed because I am legging obsessed. They sent me these super cute, these are the high-waisted 7/8 ankle legging, and if I'm not mistaken, I have a pair of these already, like the style. I believe they're just a little bit shorter on the end, so they just look like this. They are the Pink Sport. They're kind of like that ultimate material. Yeah, they are ultimate, and they say best peach ever, which is always so cute. And then I also love the size of these leggings. It has some cute, super cute mesh detailing. I also got an extra large in the leggings too. Oh, they also have pockets. That's super fun. We love pockets. Alright, and then the last thing that I got from this box from Pink is this really adorable black zip-up hoodie. This is their, I believe, like their everyday loungewear collection. I'm actually wearing the same jacket right now in the tie-dye, if you were wondering. But it's a super cute black pink hoodie. I love it. Super simple, super basic for school. And these jackets are super comfy. I'm literally wearing it right now, so I love it. Alright, so that is everything that I have for this little unboxing and announcement video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed getting to hear this really exciting thing for me. I am so excited. Like I said, still, I cannot wait to get started. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what Pink gave us. So if you want to keep up with my Pink journey, be sure to subscribe here to my YouTube channel. I will be posting fun videos whenever I can about it. And also follow my Instagram for all of the fun Victoria's Secret Pink aesthetic pictures. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much again for almost 3K. And I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Nation, don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of